guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're heartily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red and blue subscribe button to get yourself subscribed to this channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. On this channel, I upload contents on how you can naturally solve most of your health issues, benefits of so many natural things, DIYs, and so many more. So if you're interested in this kind of content, videos, topics, please do keep on watching this channel. Okay, today, loves, we want to talk about Nigeria and some of their natural home remedies. Okay, so let's just dive straight into it. Today we'll be talking about different 4 or 5 different home remedies that are used in Nigeria. Okay, so the first one we'll be talking about will be lemon and honey mixed in warm water. Yes, now when we talk about this lemon, we're not talking about that yellow lemon. Those ones are imported. We're talking about the green lemon, that green back lemon. Okay, so that's what Nigerians normally use. So we mix it with our natural honey inside warm water. So when you get your lemon, you get your honey, and then you get your warm water, you mix them together. This we normally use, this is a good home remedy we normally use for cold and also sore throats, because a lot of us tend to have sore throats. So this is our normal home remedy for sore throats and cold. And let me tell you something that is a fun fact. This particular remedy works wonders more than any other pharmaceutical brands option that you might have. So if you have options that your chemist or pharmacist gave you, why not try this one first? The honey, lemon, and warm water. Okay, so you can just get your warm water, like a cup of warm water, and you put or you drizzle one medium-sized lemon juice inside it, and add 1 teaspoon of honey, original honey. And I tell you, just do this 3 times a day for like 3 to 4 days, and it will just go like that. It's as simple as that. Okay, now another home remedy that is very rampant or that is used in Nigeria is coconut oil. Now when it comes to this side of the world, coconut is something that you can find everywhere and anywhere. Okay, it's just that it has different sizes. You can find the smaller ones or the larger ones depending on which side of this world you are in. All right, but most assured that you must find coconuts. Now what do you do with these coconuts? The coconuts, we use it to solve a whole lot of things. Apart from cooking, which we don't really normally use coconut oil to do, because it's going to make you get too many coconuts to just get little oil. So we don't normally use coconut oil to cook this side of the world, but we use it for our teeth. Now, if you're having any tooth problem, toothache, or you just want to kill the germs that might be stuck in the middle of your teeth, you have to just get coconut oil. So when you get the coconut oil, you put like a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and you squish. So for about 20 minutes or more, then you just spit it out. Rinse your mouth, and you do it for like 5 days, and the toothache will go. So you see, Nigeria is just blessed with so many home remedies. All right, so apart from the coconut used in avoiding tooth decay or even remedying tooth decay, coconut oil can also be used for other things. Now, if you have drug overdose, coconuts will be what you are going to take, not the oil now, the water. You know, when you get coconut now, it has water, right? That coconut water. So the coconut, when you break a coconut, you get the water. That water is what you will drink to flush your body from that excess drug. Okay, now another thing that we use here in Nigeria as home remedy is palm oil. I think I have a video on palm oil, but let me just repeat 1 or 2 things here. Now, palm oil can be used as a salve for open wounds. You can use it to help heal your open wounds. It can also use when your tummy is disturbing you, or when you are having running stomach. Now, if you have a place to go and you need something to work immediately, now when you go to your doctor or your pharmacist to get a drug, it doesn't just work immediately. But I tell you, palm oil is something that will give you immediate response. So when you take like 2 tablespoons of palm oil, you're going to get immediate response. The running stomach is going to stop immediately, so you don't get to pull as at all, at least for the day. All right, so you just take 2 tablespoons of palm oil and you are good to go. All right, okay, then the last one we'll be talking about will be honey. Yes, honey is mixed everywhere, almost everywhere in Nigeria. We use honey to take pap. We use honey to take drinks that are bitter. In fact, we even take honey with bitter cola. We take honey with just water, mixing it in warm water. So honey is like versatile. You can use it to solve a lot of things. Now, mixing honey with bitter cola is when you want to solve cough, when you want to remedy cough. So you just get bitter cola, like 2 pieces of bitter cola, you just grind it and you mix it with honey. You take it like 2 times daily, and that will remedy cough. That will be a good home remedy for cough. Okay, now another thing is that you can also take honey alone in water. Now what it does, or it can do for you, is that it's going to help build up your immune system, and is also helping you to solve any form of cold that you might have. Okay, now remember I said that we also mix honey with pap, with custard, with anything at all that we just want to better the taste. Now what it does here, it does that it improves the taste. It acts as a sugar substitute, a natural sugar substitute. So if you don't want sugar, in fact, most elderly people in Nigeria, what they do is that they use honey instead of sugar in almost everything that they should have added sugar. They just add honey as a good and healthy substitute for sugar. All right, okay loves, the last one, which I think should be the bonus one, is vinegar. Now vinegar is good, vinegar is nice. Most of us use vinegar for different things, but I tell you that the best thing you can use vinegar for is as a cleaning agent. So instead of cleaning your counter, your kitchen tops with all these industrial detergents and cleaning agents, you just use vinegar. So vinegar is the healthier option. So you use vinegar to clean. And how do you get this vinegar? You get vinegar mainly from fermenting crushed fruits like apples. So that's how you normally get vinegar. So you use it to clean your kitchen countertops. You can use it to clean some specific areas in your house in substitute for industrial detergents or cleaning agents. So it's healthier form, is healthier way to clean. So apart from that, vinegar can also be used in weight loss. Now if you are looking to lose weight, all you have to do is just to be adding things like apple cider vinegar inside warm water. So each time you want to drink water, especially very early in the morning, add apple cider vinegar. Normally when you get the apple cider vinegar, it comes with a cup. That small cup, add just a full of that small cup inside your warm water and you take it. Okay, just take it continually or continuously until you get to your desired weight. It helps to keep you full and it helps you with digestion. Okay, now apart from weight loss, apple cider vinegar can also be used on wounds. Okay, so you can use it on wounds to help clean it out and so on and so forth. All right guys, I've come to the end of today's video. If you loved this video in any way, in any format, please do give me thumbs up. Remember to share my videos with your friends, your family members, and your loved ones. Do share my videos with everyone and to everywhere shareable. Until next time, remain blessed. Bye-bye.